Have you ever looked at another online business and wondered how did they find all those amazing, loyal fans right from the beginning? Today, that's exactly what you and I are going to work on together. You're going to learn how to create one simple welcome gift that brings in your first email subscribers and future customers automatically, even while you sleep. If you've been dreaming about starting your own online business, but finding your first followers feels huge and overwhelming, you are in the perfect place. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to create your first lead magnet, set up a simple system to deliver it, and start growing your community every single day. Are you ready? Let's do this. Let's start with the big secret behind your first 100 fans. It is not about complicated tech or posting 20 times a day. The secret is being generous on purpose. In marketing, this little generous piece is called a lead magnet. But that sounds stuffy and technical, so in this video we're going to call it your welcome gift. A welcome gift is simply a free, super helpful resource you give to someone online, and in exchange they share their email address with you. It's like the first handshake in a new friendship. They find you, you give them something that actually helps, and just like that, a random visitor becomes one of your newest potential customers. Here's our whole game plan, nice and simple. First, find one tiny problem your ideal person has. Second, create a simple gift that solves it. Third, build a cute little online home for that gift. Fourth, set up the magic delivery robot that sends it automatically. And fifth, test everything and then launch it everywhere. Totally doable. First, we need to decide what your welcome gift is going to be. This is the fun, creative part where you get to think about that one woman you really want to help. Here's the most important thing to remember. The best gifts solve one teeny tiny specific problem in about 10 to 15 minutes. You are not writing an encyclopedia or a giant 100-page ebook. Nobody has time or energy for that. You are creating what I like to call a quick win. Your new friend uses your gift, gets a small but real result, and thinks, wow, she is so helpful. That feeling builds trust so much faster than a big, overwhelming guide. Let's look at a couple of examples. A complete guide to email marketing feels like homework. 5 email templates that get replies feels like a tool you can use today. Or the ultimate guide to social media is huge and vague. 10 Instagram story ideas you can post today is clear, specific, and easy. See the difference? One feels heavy, the other feels like a quick, helpful shortcut. Here are some simple welcome gift formats you can use: a checklist, a fill-in-the-blank template, a cheat sheet, a one-page planner, a list of your favorite tools and resources, or a small pack of copy and paste templates like emails, captions, prompts. Think small, simple, and super helpful. That's where the magic is. Once you know what you want to create, it's time to make it look pretty and easy to use. You do not need to be a professional designer for this. We're going to use one of my favorite free tools, Canva. Think of Canva like a fun digital craft studio where you can create beautiful PDFs in minutes. Here's your simple Canva workflow. Don't start from a blank page. Choose a format like a document or checklist and pick a template. Browse Canva's free templates and choose one that fits the vibe you want. Add your magic, write clear, simple text that actually helps, add your brand colors and fonts. If you have them, give it a strong title. Your title is everything. It needs to scream value and promise a result. Using numbers or specific outcomes works really well, like 5 done-for-you emails for your first clients or 10 Instagram story ideas for busy moms. Export it as a PDF. A PDF works nicely on almost any phone or computer, and it feels like a real resource. And please remember this: clarity matters way more than custom graphics. Your person cares much more that you're helping them than whether you picked the exact perfect shade of pink. Done is better than perfect. Now your gift is ready, so we need a cute little place on the internet where people can ask for it and receive it. The techie word for this is a funnel, but here we're going to call it your welcome path or your mini pop-up shop. We're going to build this using a free all-in-one platform called System.io where you can create pages and send automated emails. Your welcome path only needs 2 pages. Page 1 is the opt-in page. Think of this as the front door to your little shop. This page only needs 3 things: a super clear, catchy headline that promises the result of your gift, a simple mock-up or picture of your PDF, and a form where they can type their name and email to get it. That's it. No long sales page needed. Page 2 is the thank you page. As soon as they enter their email, they land on your thank you page. This page has one job: say a big warm thank you. Let them know their gift is on its way to their inbox and tell them to go check their email. You can keep this super simple. Hooray, you're in. Your gift is flying to your inbox right now. Go check it in the next few minutes. Using a professional email address like hello@yourbusiness.com also helps your emails land in the main inbox instead of spam. Now for the fun tech part. And don't worry, you can do this. We want your gift to be delivered instantly and automatically every time someone signs up. Inside System.io, you're going to write a short welcome email. Say hello, thank them for joining, give them clear instructions to get their gift. Add the gift. You have 2 options: attach the PDF directly to the email or upload it to a place like Google Drive and share a download link in the email. This often helps with deliverability. Create an automation rule. Think of it like a simple recipe. If someone signs up on your front door page, then the system automatically sends them your welcome email, and then it adds a tag to keep things organized. Add a tag. A tag is like a little digital sticky note that says, "This person downloaded my welcome gift." Later, when your list grows, that tag helps you remember where people came from and who might be interested in similar offers. One more tiny but powerful tip. Use a nice big font in your email, around size 15. Most people read on their phones, and big clear text makes it easier for them to actually see and click their gift. You've just created your own magic delivery robot that works 24/7 even while you're asleep. Before you share your welcome gift with anyone else, you need to be your own first customer. Testing saves you from those awkward moments when someone clicks and the link is broken. Here's your tiny launch checklist. Go to your own front door page and sign up using one of your email addresses. Make sure you land on the thank you page. Open your inbox and confirm. Did the welcome email arrive? Does the download link or attachment work perfectly? If you can say yes to all of that, you are officially ready for business. Now comes the best part, sharing your beautiful welcome gift with the world. Once it's tested and working, start spreading your link everywhere your people hang out. Put the link in your Instagram bio, add it to your TikTok profile, post about it on your Facebook page or in groups where it's allowed, add it to your email signature, mention it in your blog posts, and put it at the very top of every YouTube video description you create. You want it to be super easy for someone to discover you and instantly see that there is something helpful waiting for them. This is how you start building a business that grows even when you're not online. You've created a gift, built its online home, set up an automatic delivery system, and now it can bring new fans into your world 24/7. So now you have the entire playbook to start finding your very first fans with one simple welcome gift. You don't need a huge audience, you just need one small problem, one quick win, and one clear path for people to join your community. My big question for you is this: What quick win are you going to create for your future fans this week? Ready to go deeper? Join my free 5-day clarity challenge where I help women understand online business without overwhelm or tech confusion. You'll find the link to the challenge in the description below. See you inside.